Watch me rank a video using Videly Pro with no experience in this niche, but following a very simple video SEO trick that's going to blow your competition out of the water. In this video, I'm going to be ranking a video live, showing you basically the whole process. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be giving away at some point in the video a special link that's going to enable you to enroll for free in my overnight local business ranking course that shows you A to Z on the whole process. As always, let's start off with what my niche is going to be. The niche that I'm going to start off with, the hair salon niche. It's going to be haircuts and stuff like that, okay? Like I teach in my other training, you want to type in hair salon and then Salford in Google Keyword Planner. And I'm just going to scroll down. And the reason I'm looking in this software first is because I want to know if people or my competition are paying Google to be displayed for these search words. No one's actually paying for this keyword. So if we tried ranking for this, the chances are it's going to be really easy, but there's also a very strong chance that it's not going to do anything for us and we're just wasting our time. If we look below, you can actually see hairdressers Salford. People are currently bidding on that keyword for £4.15 and the lowest bid is £2.33. So this is clearly a profitable keyword and it's getting about 320 searches per month. So what most people would do from here is they would try ranking for hairdressers Salford. I'm not going to do that. I want to make life easier for myself. So I'm going to take this keyword and jump into Videly Pro. So it's now generated a whole bunch of keywords for us, such as hairdressers Salford Manchester, mobile hairdressers Salford Manchester, and it tells us our YouTube competition and the monthly volume. Now you don't always want to take for granted the monthly volume because it will fluctuate, but you want to go for something which has which doesn't have too much competition on YouTube. I actually see a really good one, which is hairdressers Salford Manchester. So if we tried ranking for just hairdressers Salford Manchester without the England on the end, there's a smaller chance that we'll get the rankings. But if we add England to the end, there's a stronger chance that we're going to get rankings, and then over time start ranking for the shorter tail keywords. Now I keep saying long tail and short tail keywords, and if you're not sure what that actually means, go ahead and click the link in the description where I have a whole video explaining these two definitions. In my notepad, I'm just going to jot that down and put England at the end like so. Next, I'm going to go to video details and we're going to go ahead and generate stuff. So generate details, add our keyword in. Okay, now select one of these templates and then I'm going to go ahead and do next step. Next, you want to populate it with all your website information. Now, if you don't have a website or anything on those lines, what you can do is head over to a site called System A. I'll leave a free trial link in the description below. Go to funnels, create new, and then go ahead and do build an audience, name it hair salon, and then create. Next, you just want to choose one of the done for you templates. You click on this one, then we can quickly edit it if we want to. Okay, press save changes, go to preview. That looks good for me. And now we have that like so. So what we're going to do, we're just going to quickly populate this with Vidnami. So we're going to put that in like so. We're going to do generate details, and then click it. And right now what we have our title and we have our description and we have all of our tags, but we don't have a video. So I'm going to quickly jump into a software I use called Vidnami, and I'm going to quickly create a video in Vidnami. Okay, so here I am in Vidnami and you can see you've got all of these templates, and I'm just going to quickly select this one, use template. Okay, so in this area, I'm just going to paste my script in. I've just ripped it off from somewhere else. You should go ahead and make sure you use a different one. So what it's done is it's basically gone through all the keywords of the text and it's found images that can relate to the text. So if you include lots of words like hair salon and stuff like that in the text of the video, it's going to automatically find relatable copyright free images and pull it into the video for you. Add the voiceover. I'm just going to do add voiceover. I'm not going to use my own voice. I'm going to use a synthetic voice that the software automatically generates for me. Vidnami has now created the video for us. I'm going to go ahead and do looks good and continue. One of the really nice things about Vidnami is that it runs in the cloud, so it's not putting pressure onto your computer. In fact, you can do it from a tablet or even your mobile phone. The video has finished rendering, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to download it and upload it to my YouTube channel. The video is now uploading to my YouTube channel, and it is important to let you know that this YouTube channel is only used for demo purposes. It's not an authoritative figure, and if anything, by me uploading this video to this sort of channel, it's actually giving me a disadvantage to the rankings, because YouTube channels should be super focused. They should only really be posting about specific things. Let's go ahead and start copy and pasting all of the information that we generated from Videly. Copy the title, jump back into YouTube and paste. Head back over here, copy, back over here, paste. Now I should have a thumbnail, but I'm a little bit too lazy with that. I have created other videos about how you can generate thumbnails, so I'll leave that to you, but I'm going to scroll down, more options, and we need tags now. Back into Videly, copy tags, and then paste them in like so. Go to next, and then next again. Finished rendering, and it's finished the process. It's completely uploaded, so we're going to go ahead and publish it. Okay, so the video is now uploaded and it's been published. Now the final thing is to check rankings. Now usually you should be waiting 10 minutes to 24 hours to see if your videos are rankings, because it can take time to index by Google and YouTube, etc. But I'm excitable, and you know, it's extremely exciting when you do see an instant ranking. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up incognito mode in Google Chrome, because you don't want Google catering your search results according to you and your geo. You want to get a proper reading on, you know, where you're actually ranking. So here we are in incognito mode. Let's go ahead and type in our keyword and press enter, and let's see if we are ranking anywhere. So I don't see myself on the front page of the overall Google. Let's go to the video tabs. Okay, I don't see myself ranking there either, which means that this is actually seeming to be really competitive. Let's go to YouTube and type it in here and see if we're ranking. Okay, we're ranking at #1 on YouTube, okay, which is still a massive result. Not as exciting as it would be on Google, but we're still getting #1 searches, which means that we can probably start getting on the front page of Google if we start building a bit more authority around our YouTube channel. So if we start posting similar keywords videos onto the YouTube channel. But it is surprising we're ranking on YouTube, so that's pretty exciting in its own right. So I'm just going to take away hairdressers Manchester, and we're ranking on YouTube for hairdressers Salford as well. Okay, so for me that's a big score. And again, I'm just going to do search and have a look, because you never know. Because remember, when you're ranking for a long tail keyword, you're actually ranking for a variety of search phrases, so that sometimes you just don't even know, okay, and you might do it unintentionally. So that's still pretty good. So let's just try hairdressers. No, we're not ranking for hairdressers, okay? So you might be a bit surprised that I even kept this video going and I've even published it. And the absolute truth of this method is that I use this method on a day-to-day basis with so many different niches, okay? Ranking isn't just about doing it with one video. It's about building up a whole portfolio of videos and getting them ranking for lots of different keywords. And what will happen over time is that Google and YouTube will start seeing your channel as an authority figure, and they will start giving you more exposure and better rankings for a wide range of keywords. So as you can see, we didn't rank on Google, but we did on YouTube. We ranked really good on YouTube, #1 positions for multiple keywords, and that is a big win in its own right. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.